This video is going to show you how to make beef stew. First, I took 3 pounds of potatoes and 3 pounds of round steak and cut them into cubes and put them in 4 cups of beef broth. Okay? Then you need a cup of celery chopped up. Then a half a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Then a half a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of parsley flakes. Half teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. And I'm just going to shake a little bit of red pepper flakes in, just for a little spice. Then you need 2 cups of chopped carrots. Then 1 cup of mushrooms. I just buy the ones in a can. You can buy fresh ones and cut them up if you want, but the canned ones work just as fine. And I have 3 more cups of beef broth in this mason jar. To that we're going to add onion soup mix. Okay, and then instead of using cornstarch to thicken it, I use brown gravy mix. And we're going to put 2 brown gravy mixes in there. That way it thickens it up, plus it gives it flavor too. So put both those in there. Then we're going to shake it so it gets all incorporated before we add it to our pot. Then we're going to bake our stew for about 3 hours in the oven on 350. So once you get that shooken up, then we go back over to our pot. Put this in. Then just mix everything up. Then we're going to, like I said, put it in the oven on 350 for 3 hours. It should be nice and flavored, and the meat should be nice and tender and soft. Everything will be all incorporated, and you'll have nice, comforting beef stew. Just put a lid on it and put it in the oven for 3 hours. Our beef stew is done and come out of the oven. I put it in a casserole dish for serving. Look how nice, thick, and creamy. I hope you like this recipe for beef stew. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.